Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the PowerDeWise professional grade lapel microphone. That's for computers, smartphones, tablets, or cameras. So let's get this open up and see what's inside. Nice little pouch. Mic, extension cord. There should be two different. This is for a microphone. This is for a smartphone. And this should be for a DSLR or computer. Take that out of the chair. Comes with some windscreens in here too. Some extra windscreens. So this will be for your computer or a DSLR. This one here is for your smartphone or tablet. So you want extension cable. It's pretty long cable you give you in this kit. I'll put links in the description below to Amazon.com and Amazon.ca so you can price it out, see what's going for in your area. But it's a very affordable lapel mic. I need it for my phone. Because sometimes when I'm talking about 10 feet away from my phone, you really can't hear me that well, so I need a lapel mic. And this one looks like it's going to do the trick. And the price is right, too. So, let's do some testing, an audio test. Now this is the internal mic on my Galaxy S9 smartphone. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you're looking at is the inside of a hard drive. So here's a test, internal mic on my Galaxy S9 smartphone. Alright, so now the mic is hooked up to my phone. Let's see what it sounds like. 6 inches from my mouth. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you're looking at is the inside of a hard drive. Okay, so I have no idea what this mic is going to sound like. We'll find out when you download it to the computer and do a test and see what it sounds like. But where it's going to shine, it comes with a 6-foot cable and a 6.7-inch extension cable. So you can be up to 13 feet away from your phone or camera, and that's where it's going to shine. So that's a test of the PowerDeWise lapel mic. So that's my review of the PowerDeWise Omnidirectional lapel mic. I was actually very impressed with the quality when I downloaded it to my computer. Very impressed with the quality. So it's definitely a keeper. Once again, links to Amazon below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.